Hello and welcome. During the registration phase, your primary case manager and you will have an open and confidential discussion about your situation and other pertinent details in order to build you the right file according to your needs. Your case manager will request from you basic and relevant information in order to successfully build your legal new credit file. Your case managers will also send you emails which will ask you to verify your personal information as well as new data associated with your new privacy file. Your information is held under attorney-in-fact client privilege, and under law, our office is not required to release your new file information to anyone, so your privacy is strictly protected. Once your case managers receive your information, we will begin to build your legal new credit file and email you your new file typically within 24 hours. If you ever have any questions, you can call, text, or email us 7 days a week. We look forward to helping you achieve your goals.